Please subscribe to Money Master Tutorials.
And welcome to this session of the tutorial. I am Kume Rixo. I blog on Money Master Tutorials, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe because I'll be uploading content like this on Money Master Tutorials. And this is just a continuation of our training on blogging. And in this session, I'm going to be showing you how to create a blog for free. This part is the part where we talk of choosing the right platform, and choosing the right platform is so important for your blog. If you don't choose the right platform, you're going to screw up every single thing. So it's so important. And the best platform is obviously buying your domain and hosting with WordPress. That is launching WordPress on your blog. That's what I call WordPress Premium. And it's not using the free WordPress and then upgrading. No, it is buying your hosting, registering your domain name, and all of that. We're going to see that in the next video, not this one. So in this one, we're going to see how you can create a blog for free, because there are people say they don't have money. But I think it's not an excuse for them not to start, because even with a free platform, you can still get traffic to your blog and you can still monetize and still make money. I started like that. So we're just going to see one of my first blogs that I ever had. It's kumerito blogspot.com. It may be a little bit noisy because children didn't go to school today. They're all in their house, and I'm recording this from the house. I cannot go to the office today. So if you go to kumerito.blogspot.com, as you see on your screen, you're going to see the first blog I ever created. I've not updated it like in 5 years or so. So it's a little bit there, yeah. So what I would say is you could do this. You could create your blog here, your blog with blogspot.com. Let me just deactivate the ad blocker so that you can see the ads on the blog, to see that it has been monetized with Google AdSense. So these are Google ads that are there. Now I have some advanced monetization methods that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing those who are serious. We're going to move on to the next step of the training. Those who are serious want to take it to another level. There are very big advanced monetization methods that will be seen in the next part of the training. So yeah, how do you create something like this? This is a website, but it's a subdomain. So the difference between a premium and a free one is that the premium one is over kumerito.com, and this free one is kumerito.blogspot.com, meaning it is hosted by Google. It is hosted by blogger.com, which is owned by Google. So it is hosted by them, and they give me a free subdomain. If it is available, I'll take the subdomain. The same thing happens with WordPress. It could be kumerito.wordpress.com, but I don't recommend WordPress free version. I recommend WordPress Premium. But you could still host your website here in WordPress, in Blogspot free or Blogger free, and then you will go to WordPress Premium later on when you have the means. You could start saving money now. Once you have the means, you go there and you import your content from here. It's an automatic process. You can always find a tutorial for that, or I could always give you a guide to that. So we're going to create our blog right away, and let's just go to blogger.com. If you go to blogger.com, you click enter, or blogspot.com. It's the same thing. It's going to redirect you to blogger.com. So if we go here, we realize that I already have something created. This is one of them. You can create, and then the sweetest part with Blogspot is that you can create so many blogs. You could create, like here we have moneymastertutorials.blogspot.com. We have amongstlovers.blogspot.com. We have Batman, blah blah blah. We have a lot of stuff. We have kumerito.blogspot.com, all in one email, one Gmail. So we're going to use this. So go to blogger.com. If it doesn't have a blogger.com account associated with the email, or create a new one. Voila, this is what I'm talking about. So when you get here, that's how you're going to find it. If you're visiting blogger.com for your first time, you're going to find a page like this, and all you have to do is click on create your blog, and it's going to carry you to the next step where you can create your blog. And what you have to do is to choose the email you want to create it with. I'll choose this particular email, and okay, this have to verify my my email, my phone. So I was listening to comedy. So I'll just take it. Let me just verify, confirm my phone. Okay. So I've confirmed and I cannot log in. And that was Kenny Black. You bring it somewhere, choose a name for your blog. When it comes here, you're supposed to choose. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. Just like we saw it on kumerito.blogspot.com, we saw something there like, let's go back. Born to Rain. That was the name of the blog. It was Born to Rain. So if we come back here, we're just going to name it like blogging tutorials. Blogging tutorials. So just copy that. So I want it to be blogging tutorials. So just say next. Just a demo kind of stuff. Then here you can write the address. What do you want it to be? Blogging tutorials or whatever. So just write it in one word. When you click next, it's going to carry you to the next list where you can write the name of your blog, the domain name or the subdomain name, please. So it's going to be blogging tutorials. And if it's available, they are going to say it's available. If it's not available, they'll say it's not available. So I'll say blogging tutorials 237. And it's available, so you click next. So you look for a name that is available. Some of them are taken, many of them. So what name are you going to put there? Display name, blogging tutorials, of course. And you click finish, and it's going to process and it's going to create your blog spot. Your domain, your blog has been created. So right now, if I want to visit the blog, I'll just go to the URL section of my browser, and I'll type blogging tutorials .blogspot.com. So that is it. .blogspot.com, and this is my blog. There is nothing on it. I need to design it. So I'll go back and I'll do some design. So I'll look for the theme, choose a particular theme. There's so many themes. Just choose any theme that I like. I'll choose probably a theme like this. I don't know, any theme that is suitable for you, like a food blog or something. And when you choose that, you save it, you apply it, like here, click apply. But I like this one. I always use this one, Notable, and you could refresh and see what it looks like on the front end. And it doesn't look really presentable because I have not put any content on it before. I've not put any content on it already. So once I put content on it, it's going to be perfect. I can also customize the theme how I want it to look like. So you have to take time and learn how to use this particular stuff. So you have to customize the theme how you want it to look like. After you've done all of that, you could just go back and you can create your first blog post. You could also create pages. So for your first blog post, you put the title and you put the content that you want to be on the blog. Simple. Your title, your content. We're going to learn SEO, how to optimize your content to rank higher. We're going to learn that, and that will be for the advanced class. So those who are going to step up to the next level. So title and your content here. You add your article and so on. You upload images here. You can upload an image from your computer. It could be from your Gmail account. And you could do some SEO there. We're going to look at the SEO part later on. You could upload a video from your computer. You could embed a video from YouTube. You could do a lot of stuff. And have just the same kind of articles like I have here. The same kind of content that I have here. Like this is a great piece of writing that I did. Epicaizo. What is Epicaizo? Yeah, that's a great content I wrote back then. I had all the time to do that. Okay, so when you create good content like that, you publish it. There are a lot of features you could explore in your Blogger dashboard. Here you can see your earnings. You can apply for AdSense directly from here. Once you have enough content and enough traffic to apply, and Google automatically integrate ads into your blog, and you start earning right away. And now we can now start talking of advanced ways of earning. You could look at your stats, how many people visited your blog, blah 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 and so on. We could do same here. So we could do same here, blogger.com. We look at the stats and so on. Anyways, that is how you create your blog, and we are going to go further in the uh, WhatsApp class, the advanced class, where everybody is there. We only have people who are serious there that want me to accompany them. So next, I'm going to do a video on how to create a WordPress premium blog and how much it costs and so on. But this one is totally free, and nobody should give an excuse. I don't have money to create a blog. I don't have this. I've given you the tools you need. Wish you the best of luck. See you at the top because the bottom is too crowded for you. And sorry for the noise. I'm at home. It's closed down and people are the whole neighborhood is there. And yeah, my neighbor's kids are getting into the house, stuff like that. Crazy.
Please subscribe to Money Master Tutorials.